Well, hey guys, if you're looking for an everyday carry flashlight, this is one I highly recommend you check out. This is a really cool option right here. I love Wuben. I love this brand, and they have some really cool lights. But I want to talk about this one right here first. This is a super cool light. Again, like I said, it's a super everyday carry. I like the little clip right there. You can clip it on your pants. You can clip it on your backpack or any kind of thing like that. It has a heavy duty clip right there, which is really nice. A couple of things I want to point out about this. It has a lot of different features. I'm going to try to show you guys all of them, but there's so many parts to this. Number one, you can see right here, it has multiple different settings. So right now it's on the lock mode. So nothing is going to come on, nothing's turning on, you know, when you press the button or any kind of thing like that. That's because when you want to have it in your pocket, you want to make sure that it's not going to, you know, go on and use your battery. So again, that's the lock mode. When you turn it all the way to the night mode, that's when you can actually charge it right there. But it's in the like moon mode or the night mode, and you can turn it on. The light right here, you can see, I'm not going to try to shine too bright, but it's not super bright. You can brighten it up a little bit, not much really, but it kind of stays in that mode. It's just really dim. So again, if you just, you know, maybe if you're camping or if you don't want to be really bright, you can keep it in this mode. And it's nice because again, it's not really bright. So you have that option there, but you can turn it off and on with a little button right here on the top. And then there is a little tap button right here, and I'll show you guys more about this here in a minute, but it has a little tap button so you can turn it off and on with that button. And it's really cool. I've never actually seen a little button like that, so it's really nice. Back there, it also has the magnetic device, so if you're going to be using this like to work on something, you can stick it on anything, you know, kind of, you know, hold on that. But you can drop down right here to, this is the flashlight front. You can see right there, significantly brighter, and you can actually go brighter. Again, it has like a little turn dial right here, a little turn dial. You can kind of see that as well. And so that can get brighter if it needs to. And then once it gets all the way to the top, it's going to blink. But you can see how bright that is, especially compared to the other ones. And so that is really bright. And then it also goes pretty low as well. So again, that's probably about as bright as, you know, the other one was. But you have that feature, which is really nice. Same thing with this. You can hold it. There's also different type of features where you turn them on and then hold it and stuff like that, and it'll get a lot brighter and those kind of things. But this also has the button feature. I like this, where it's actually just, you have to hold it on. So like, you can't just click. If you click it, nothing happens. You know, you can see it goes off and on. But if you hold it, it stays on. So again, it's really bright, but you can hold it and stay on everywhere, which is really cool. Then you have the next slide down. Again, this is like the little side light, next slide down. You turn this light on, and you could turn it on if you hold it, turn it on if you hold it. It'll actually go back to the bright light. You can adjust this as well. You can see, you can adjust how bright that is if you want it really bright, or if you just want it kind of dim. You can see that right there, so it's really cool with that. It also has the multiple colors, so you can see all these. So you can see the green, blue, red, all kind of spectrum colors. So all kind of different colors. And again, have that option right there. So you can turn that off and on. And also right here, same thing on that one. When you touch the light on the back, it actually is just the front light again. So, but cool option right there. So again, you could have that, you know, if you wanted to put this light somewhere, if you want to, you know, set it somewhere to, again, magnetize, then you could turn it where this would light up the whole thing. Or if you just wanted to have it and set it somewhere on the ground and it would light up a little area, kind of like a lantern. That's kind of what this setting is, which is really cool. Then it has, again, like at the bottom, has the lock, which is really nice. So again, you can keep that in your pocket. I do want to say, when you turn this on, the full one right here, well, let me get back to full. You turn the full on and you turn it all the way bright. It's super bright. It will get a little warm, so you gotta be careful. That is a little hot because that light is such a bright light. It will get warm, so just heads up on that. And then to check the battery, when you plug it in, it actually tells you, you know, where your charge is right here. If it's blue, is all the way, and tells you where it needs to charge. But you can see you can unlock this. This is the locking mechanism. So you can see unlock all the way back right there, and then you get to slide this. So now it's locked. To unlock, press down, oops, there it all the way back, and then press forward, and it opens up the battery compartment back there. So actually tough to get in there, so that's nice. So that's not gonna like pop open and then you can lock it back. So again, you can see right there the locking mechanism. But really cool device, cool features. I really like it a lot. Again, you could even put this on your hat. I've done that before, where they have these strong clips. Put them on my hat. Now it's a headlamp. See where you're going and that kind of stuff. So really cool device. I really like it. All kind of features. Really strong. I mean, this thing is great. Like I said, great everyday carry, everyday carry. Flashlight, keep in your pocket, keep in your pack, keep in your truck. Use it for so many options right there. Really strong, heavy duty. I think it's going to do a good job. Wuben's a great brand. Highly recommend these guys. If you're looking for some type of everyday carry flashlight, recommend you check this out. I also used this headlamp to work on my vehicle just the other day. Big shout out to Wuben. Thank you so much for sending me this to check it out. Also, we'll have a link for this item down below, so if you're interested, you can check that out down there. And if this video is helpful for you, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.